The present tense refers to things that are true at this moment in time. For example, I am an English teacher. You are watching this video. You have subscribed to this channel. Here we have three forms of the present tense: the present simple, the present continuous, and the present perfect. In this video, we're focusing on the present simple tense. So, when do we use the present simple tense? Well, there are many situations, but some of the most common uses are for permanent situations, for facts, for habits or routines, and for schedules and timetables. Let's look at some examples. I live in England. He lives in Spain. The sun is hot. You are cool. The builders start work at 7 a.m. She starts work at 9 a.m. We upload videos every week. He uploads videos every month. As you can see, the verb form changes depending on the subject. We have one verb form for I, you, we, and they, and another verb form for he, she, and it. So we can say, I like the video, you like the video, they like the video, we like the video, or he likes the video, she likes the video, it likes the video. But what if you don't like the video? Well, then we need to make a negative sentence. When we want to make a negative sentence, we say don't or doesn't. So, I like the video becomes I don't like the video, and he likes the video becomes he doesn't like the video. What's important to remember is when we use the verb do to make negative sentences, the main verb stays in the infinitive form. Do you understand? This is how we make a question in the present simple. We put the auxiliary verb at the start of the sentence. So we can say, do you understand the video? Or does she understand the video? And we can respond to this question by saying, yes, I do, or no, I don't. If the answer is yes, I do, then we recommend watching part 2 to learn more about the present simple tense. Thanks for watching.